Hi there, I'm Alan Robertson with AirlineTV.net. We're at the 2013 International Abbotsford Airshow. It's Media Day, August the 8th, and I have the pleasure of talking with Greg Collier with a fabulous piece of hardware behind us. Greg, can you tell us a little bit about your aircraft, please?
Yeah, my aircraft started life as a T-33 Silver Star here in Canada, and built under license, by Canadair from Lockheed, and it was our first operational jet fighter and trainer. From the Korean War. I'll be putting it through just its capabilities, vertical roll, loop, Cuban 8, split S, high G turns, high speed pass, so 450 knots or so. And
now the name Ace Maker, is that your own name, or is that what it came with?
No, I named it the Ace Maker due to all the jet aces that were trained. I mean, all the jet aces in the United States were all flew a Shooting Star, either in training and some in combat in Korea. So it was known as the maker of jet aces, so I named it the Ace Maker.
And what kind of top speed can you get on this? Is it would you have a max speed for it?
505 knots is the max speed. I've been to about 480. And my shows, I'm normally right between 350 and 440. This aircraft is a jet trainer aircraft. It looks like he's going to do a topside pass as he brings the aircraft. It generates about 5,400 pounds of thrust, giving the T-33 a maximum speed of 505 knots. Downline and pulls it upside down for just a second, and now rolls it upside up and completes another half Cuban 8. You put those two maneuvers together and you have a Cuban 8. It's a great thing. Has a service ceiling of 45,000 feet and a range of about 1,350. Once again, from the left this time, smoke is on. Greg Collier, the T-33, as he arcs up and away from us.